Welcome to the Learn Now or Pay Later Financial Wellness Series brought to you by Cambridge Credit Counseling. We're hoping to provide you with a better understanding of the financial challenges that confront you each day. Through education and advice, you can build a strong financial future. Cambridge can help. Donnie Morehouse with Chris Viale. And Chris, let's talk about first-time home buyers. We know the situation in the housing market. What are the things I need to consider if I'm a first-time home buyer?
A lot of things, Donnie. Most people want to get into a home. They want to provide for their family, have a nice backyard. But the bottom line is, you've got to consider, can you really afford the home? What type of expenses are going to be associated with the home when you get into the home? Is this the right time? Can I qualify? These are all things that you definitely have to consider before making that leap into home ownership.
And there's some other things that you have to take into consideration, like everything that goes in and around the home.
New furniture, lawn care, maintenance for the home. Utility bills generally double from where you might have been renting. So there are a lot of unexpected expenses that aren't really given to a consumer up front when you're dealing with, I want to get into my home for the first time.
So Chris, how can I figure out what mortgage is affordable for me?
Well, when you get pre-qualified, whoever's going to pre-qualify you is going to tell you what they think the amount is that you can pre-qualify for. But what they use as a matrix to determine that number is your gross income. Gross income isn't really what's available to you. It's your net income on a monthly basis is what you have available to spend on the home. So you definitely want to be careful and don't get overqualified into a bigger home than you can afford.
I've had people tell me that I qualify for ungodly sums of money, but it's probably not a good idea to take them up on that offer.
Without a doubt. You want to get into a home where when you drive up that day after work or that night after work, you can drive into your house and sit down and be happy about the fact that this might not be a financial demise that you've put yourself in.
Very good. Thank you, Chris, and thank you for watching. To learn more about this topic or to receive personalized advice from a certified credit counselor, contact Cambridge today.